Hello, everyone. So it's showtime with Bilal. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Today's topic is very, I would say, important and critical, and it's all about PMax audience signal. I'm sure, have you ever launched any PMax campaign in the past, or maybe you're going to launch your PMax campaign? So the thing is that most of the times, what we face is that although we launched the PMax campaign, but the results are not fruitful. Like, because if you see Reddit, if you go to Reddit or Quora, and I'm sure most of you have seen people talking in the threads that PMax is a trash, PMax is not working for me. That is not the case because for me, I would say it has worked for a few businesses, but not for everyone. So PMax is not for everyone, but make sure to test for your business and to see it for yourself that if it's working for your business or not, right? So whenever you're setting up your PMax campaign, once you're done with everything, there's one thing, little thing you have to focus while creating your campaign. That is PMax audience signals. If you are creating your ad campaign into Google Ads and under assets group, at the bottom you will see signals, right? So there are two things that Google asks you if we can give a few audience or few signals to the Google. One is search theme, second is audience signal. So let's see what audience signal is. So think of an audience signal not as just a strict target, but as a training data for Google's AI. So we are giving a hint. So hey, these kind of people who tend to buy my product, start looking for more people like them. So we are giving, you're just actually giving a way to Google or hinting the Google system to look for such type of people who are relevant to my business. Number one, this is what this audience signal is. Second is why it is important. Number one, without the audience signal, Google's AI has to start from zero, just like a new business. It is just kind of you're training your pixel or your data. So, one thing first. Second one, with the signal, you are giving the AI a head start, right? As we discussed, we are giving hints to the data so that they can reach relevant people. What audiences you should add into audience signal over here? So first thing we will discuss this audience signal, which data you can add. Number one is your customer match list, your existing or past buyers. Number two, your website data, just like Meta. If you remember, we used to create a custom audiences over there. Uh, Page visitors, add to carts, clicks, so many options. You can add those as well. And third are the interest. If you have an affinity audience or in-market audience option, you can add that as well, right? Moving forward, what are search themes? So search themes is this, where it says add search themes up to 50. So simple analogy of a search theme is that if audience signals tells the AI who to look for, and search theme tells it what they are typing into Google. You are explicitly stating the search queries you want to appear for, right? So the key point is this is your direct line into Google search inventory within PMax, which is often the highest intent part of the campaign. Do not forget to add these search themes. For example, if we are running a campaign for HVAC company business or for some clothing business, so you can add men t-shirts, for example. This is the search theme: t-shirts, t-shirts for men, oversized shirt, right? So you have to add up to 50 search themes. I'm not asking you to add all the 50, but you can add 10 to 20. And I'm sure once you do this, you will get fruitful results. And make sure to give at least 10 to 15 days of time to your PMax campaign. Don't overrush. Don't uh, uh, do things in a rush way, right? Have patience. So, why it's a game changer? Number one, it captures demand. Number two, prevents brand dilution as well. Without them, Google might show your ads to broad, semi relevant, irrelevant searches or maybe irrelevant customers, right? And they are not keywords. Just keep in mind, these are not keywords. And I'm sure this video was fruitful. Thank you for watching my videos and have a great day.